This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the symptom: no sound, crackle, or dropouts, so you target the speaker and not the head unit. Remove the trim now. Use plastic trim tools to avoid damage. While you pry, keep connectors visible so you can trace wires. Next, disconnect the battery for 10-15 seconds to prevent shorting. Then, unbolt the speaker and inspect mounting, wiring, and harness for corrosion or loose pins. Do these checks now. They save time later and direct the repair path. Once the speaker is out, test it with a multimeter. Measure coil resistance, expecting around 4 ohms for many car speakers. No continuity means a blown voice coil. Next, test the head unit by connecting a known good speaker to the same wires to verify output. If wiring is the culprit, cut back to clean insulation, solder or crimp with proper terminals, and seal with heat shrink. Make sure to maintain polarity, positive to positive, so you avoid phase cancellation when reassembling. Reinstall the speaker, using the original gasket or a thin foam seal to prevent vibration and ensure a tight acoustic seal. Tighten screws evenly so the frame sits flat. Over-torquing can warp the basket. Reconnect the battery and run a sound check. Start low, then play full-range audio to confirm bass and highs. If problems persist, swap the suspect speaker with the opposite side. If the fault moves, it's the speaker or wiring. If it stays, it's the amp or head unit. This single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.